Hallo and welcome to your Afrikaans oral or your Afrikaanse mondeling. Dit is 'n spookstorie, a ghost story written by yourself. This is the part that you wrote, this part that I just typed out, and here I rewrote some of it. I tried to keep your sentences as you wrote them, but I just made them a little bit more understandable in Afrikaans. So I'm going to jump right into it, and after that we're going to do the direct translation. So you will see the direct translation is very weird. If you take it directly from Afrikaans to English, you will laugh a little bit, I think. So just look at that so you can see that the direct translation is very different from how we write in Afrikaans. All right, so here we go. Just listen to this as much as you can this weekend, and then good luck for Monday. Eendag, lang gelede, was daar 'n wetenskaplike wat aan chemikalieë gewerk het en genoeg daarvan gehad het. Hy het pas gegradeer. Sy naam was Morris Gousley. Sy vriende het 'n fop op hom getrek om hom geluk te wens met sy chemikalie gradering. Maar hulle het geen idee gehad wat hulle was of wat hulle gedoen het nie. Gousley het gedink hulle sou 'n skuimslang maak. Gousley se vriende hoor 'n sagte fluit agter hulle. Skielik was daar 'n ontploffing in hulle gesigte. Waar is Gousley? Vra sy vriende. Ek is hier, sê Gousley. Toe hulle omdraai, sien hulle vir Gousley. Gousley kyk onder hom en sien hy het nie voete nie. Almal het geskrik en dood neergeval. Alright, so if you have to, you can put this in slow motion and listen to it slowly for the pronunciations. Here I just made some cards for you so you can print this out, so it's easier to remember what comes next. And here we have the direct translation. Now you'll see it's very funny. Here we go. So, eendag lang gelede was daar 'n wetenskaplike wat aan chemikalieë gewerk het en genoeg daarvan gehad het. One day long ago was there a scientist that on chemicals worked and enough of it had have. Hy het pas gegradeer. He had just graduated. Sy naam was Morris Gousley. His name was Morris Gousley. Sy vriende het 'n fop op hom getrek om hom geluk te wens met sy chemikalie gradering. His friends had a prank on him pulled to him congratulate with his chemical degree. Maar hulle het geen idee gehad wat hulle was of wat hulle gedoen het nie. But they had no idea what they were or what they done have, or what they were doing. Gousley het gedink hulle sou 'n skuimslang maak. Gousley had thought they would a foam snake make. Gousley se vriende hoor 'n sagte fluit agter hulle. Gousley's friends hear a soft whistle behind them. Skielik was daar 'n ontploffing in hulle gesigte. Suddenly was there an explosion in their faces. Waar is Gousley? Vra sy vriende. Where is Gousley? Asked his friends. Ek is hier, sê Gousley, or sê hy. I am here, said Gousley, or said he. Toe hulle omdraai, sien hulle vir Gousley. When they turned around, see they for Gousley. Ghostly kyk onder hom en sien hy het nie voete nie. Ghostly looked under him and sees he has no feet not. Almal het geskrik en dood neergeval. Everyone had fright and dead fell. See, that's very funny, right? Alright, so that's your Afrikaans Mondeling. Yeah, just study and learn it out of your head. That's the only way. Alright, good luck.